Guys, welcome back to Cindy's Cuisine. Today I will be making my Butterfinger cake. I've been making this cake for over a decade and it's a favorite with family and friends. This cake is very tasty. I hope you enjoy. So for this cake we will be using German chocolate cake, and I am using Duncan Hines because this is a pretty good cake. I've been using this for a while. I'm not endorsing any particular brand. Then I am going to add 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. And this is a really easy cake to make. I'm following the directions on the box, and you can do the same. Now that I have the ingredients in my mixing bowl, I'm going to use my hand mixer to combine the ingredients. If you have a stand mixer or a wire whisk or a fork, you can use it. You don't necessarily have to have a hand mixer or a stand mixer. I'm going to get all the ingredients together. So I'm getting all the lumps out of my bowl, out of the cake mix. And now, it looks like it's ready to pour into the pan. My cake is ready, and now I'm going to oil my pan. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. It depends on what type of pan you're using. Today I'm using a foil pan. Now I'm going to pour my batter into my foil pan. And we are going to wait for this cake to bake. What I really like about this cake is it is so convenient. You don't have to have 2 or 3 different bowls, or it's just everything in it is in one pan. That's the great thing about this tasty recipe. Our cake is ready, and now we are taking it out of the oven. Ooh, it looks good. Now I'm going to poke holes over the top of this cake, and once I have the holes, I'm going to pour my sweetened condensed milk. And this is like the topping, the first topping, because we have 3 layers: the sweetened condensed milk, the Cool Whip, and the Butterfinger. This is so yummy. Cake is out of the oven, and I gave it about 30 minutes to cool in the refrigerator. And now I am going to top it with the Cool Whip. It doesn't get any easier than this, guys. This cake is excellent for parties and potlucks. Now I'm going to take my Butterfinger bar, and I'm going to use my rolling pin to crush the chocolate bar. And I'm going to use open the chocolate bar, and I'm going to sprinkle the crumbles over the entire cake. So I've topped the cake with the Butterfinger bar, and now I'm about to taste this delicious cake. Just a little piece. See how it looks and how it tastes. Thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.